Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for Apocalypse Survivor in Trust and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Trust and Press. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with the black color. For this hairstyle, you're going to remove the bangs and then you're going to put on this hat and change it to toggle 2, and then you're going to put on this item as well and you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And for this hat, you're going to make it this color and put on this item and you're going to select toggle 2. And you're going to change the material to denim. Okay, and for the color, just make it this color. Okay, the next one, I'm going to put on this mesh and I'm going to make it thick. And I'm going to select toggle 2. And then I'm going to put on this item. And I'm going to make it thick. Okay, and then I'm going to change toggle 2. And then I'm going to select this item. And I'm going to move to this area and select this shirt. And then I'm going to put on this pattern. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area and put on this boot, and then I'm going to color it with this color for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to make it this color and make it this color for the third selection, and last selection I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area, this jeans area, and then I'm going to put on this jeans and I'm going to make it denim, and for the color I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, I'm going to select this dress and choose the skirt only, and I'm going to apply the same pattern I have applied before. Okay, and I'm going to go to the curved item and I'm going to choose this item and I'm going to select tied jacket. And for the color, I'm going to make it this color. Okay guys, and the last one, you're going to put on this butterfly top and then I'm going to apply the same pattern. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!